te Ātui'anga ki te Tango, e programu te ia te akatupu ia e te putuputuanga kōrero te orau. No te Ātui'anga i tā tātou tamariki, ki tā tātou peu tupuna, tō tātou reo, e i runga ki te ia. No te Ātui'anga i a rato, ki tō ratou ao nātura. I roto i te programu, ka ere rato ki roto te o ngā e paitaro, ka uripai, tanutaro, waere paitaro, ere ki roto i te o wō, mi te takuaine, tanu utu, nā runga atu i te maunga i te akarakara i te o rākau tūkeke, i runga i tō tātou enua, te akara atu i te pōpinga o te ao ngai, i runga i tō tātou enua. E uti ka ere rātou ki roto i te tei, no te tautei, kupenga, tākiri pātuki, e kia ki te katoa rātou i te ngai e te pōpinga. Tā te ao ngai kā tōtoa, e apai mai ana ki tō tātou i te tangata nā roto i te kai e te whai atura.
It's really amazing how something so special can grow from just a spark of an idea. And that's really how the Ātui'anga ki te Tango Junior program began. It was in 2018, I was on the Paitaro with the family, and I snapped a photo and I put it on Facebook. And not long after that, a good friend of mine, Jackie Ātui'anga, messaged through and said, wouldn't it be amazing if we ran a school holiday program doing just these kind of things, traditional, cultural activities for our children? And one thing led to another. We were so blessed to get the support of the Ministry of Agriculture's Ridge to Reef project, and we were able to pull in private sector support with the likes of CITC, BSP, BCI, Vodafone, among a whole lot of parents and passionate volunteers. And from there, we ran our first junior program with 70 students, and it continued to grow to over 150 students each time we ran this junior program.
Ātui'anga I roto I te programu ko ia oki, ko te Ātui'anga mai, te Ātui'anga, no te Āpi'ipi'anga I tā tātou tamariki I te peo tupuna. Te au peo e Āpi'ipi'anga ki tā tātou tamariki, ko te pe.
Te mana o te reo ura. Te mana o te reo ura.
Te retupau. Te ura. Ko te akatangi ukarere. E te imene.
The fun part was learning stuff and being able to make stuff.
We're going to make our panauto. And so what we do...
I learned about the stars and about the navigation, and that was fun too.
We learned some traditional games like the rore, mokotaro ruko, and many more. And I encourage everyone out there to take up this beautiful opportunity.
So with the Voyaging Society, it's been a real honour and privilege for us to be involved. A Tuesday night star session was a really wonderful opportunity to talk with our kids around different aspects of navigation beyond the stars, the wind and the clouds and the swells and the sea. And it's really awesome that Kōrero Te Oro have picked this up and taken it on and support the development and the sustaining of our culture here.
We have 4 kids on the program and they have loved absolutely every single minute of it. Highlights for them would definitely be the traditional games and also the fishing, net fishing in the lagoon. Just an excellent program for our kids to learn their culture, be immersed in their culture, the language, the songs, the myths and legends, and just to get a perspective on things that they don't always get at home.
I've got a 7-year-old son registered in this program. This program is really good for the kids. They've learned a lot this week, especially to do with our culture. They've loved the traditional games, the stargazing, everything. This is the only time I can get him to wake up early. He doesn't wake up this early for school.
My 2 kids have been loving this program that's been put out for them. Learning all the traditional old games we used to play back in the day. The only one I used to remember was the teka. We used to play that before. Parents used to get angry playing that because they said it's dangerous. But yeah, kids' games and traditional legends they learn about and how to do basically everything.
I look at the kids in the face and I'm really pleased You could just see that hunger in the kids wanting to learn these things. Whereas us, we weren't taught these things. We grew up with it. It was like it was part of us.
We've been so fortunate to have the support of the Aronga Mana, and that was really key to be able to deliver our programs in each of the 3 waka on Rarotonga. And from there, we'd like to grow and see this program go to the Pā'enua as well.
My main role in this particular program is to try and discipline the kids. That is the main job that has been given to me. And the knowledge that I have in terms of cultural performance, I try and give that through as well. The knowledge that I have in terms of fishing, everything that I know from my childhood, I try and give that all to our kids. It's been a great week, tiring. Every day we go home, we're tired, the kids are tired. We're hoping to see everybody again in the next one, and ready for another busy week.
Uri ro katoa mātou e te te o mitu Ātui'anga i te tauturu i te api i tō tātou imene tuki ki te tātou anō tamariki. Ai nā rei kia kite ia te rupurupu o te anganga o te tātou ai mitu e kia mauria te rera e te tātou anō tamariki ke kore ngaru.
Karanga neo ki te tai arara. Ka paruru tātou, me kore ka taporoporo tātou i te tai apinga, me kore te tai ngai, me inaoro tātou i te rera. Ka inaoro tātou i te rera apinga, me e maramato tātou i tō rātou pōpinga, e perakato tō rātou tūranga. Ka marama tātou i te ao mea, me kua api i tātou. Ko te wairua o unu te ia i muri i te Ātui'anga i te Tango, tā te kōrero te ōrau e opara nei i te tuatu.